All right, hello. All right, my name is George, and I will start with explaining some concepts in computer science. We can learn about introduction to C++. We can learn about computer program. A computer program, or just a program, simple way to say it. A program is just a collection of instructions that you want a program to do. So you can have the program do one thing for you, or you can have a program do a lot of things for you. So we can find programs in your computers. We can find programs in your phone, like smartphones. Apps are a great example of programs. We can have um, uh, we can have software that like antivirus uh, and softwares that are very useful for bank accounts, for banks. And yeah, so let's start with a compiler. Compiler is a software that will convert your code to a machine language. Why? Because computers only understand machine language. They really understand only numbers like 0 and 1. And so the thing you have to remember is that this is very, very true for all the for all programming languages, is that you know, your code will always you're always going to have a compiler, a program that will translate your code to a machine language. And yeah, so we can start now. We can start with my first programming program. Um, Here you have a simple program that I will really explain. We'll start explaining the first line of code. So the first line of code really is letting us know that you have a file that has all the code that will allow you to print something on the screen. You have it also has a code that will make you a better no that will enable a lot of programmers use functions, like functions that allow that helps them find the square root, functions that help them find character, and um, the second line of code is basically using namespace SD. And this line of code really is allowing programmers to use shortcuts in your program. Instead of writing constant, you can just use constant, uh, like CFP. So that's a shortcut right here, and you have, let's say, constant variable. So yeah. So now we have a function called int main. Let me start explaining this. So int stands for unit integers, and it's a data type, and integers refer to numbers like 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are not dealing with decimal points here. So only integers like real numbers. So you can have all. We also have other database type of data like string, um, double, uh, character, a lot of things like that. They're very, very useful in your language, in C++. Now we can have here we have the another line of code, which is that you first declare the type of data of the variable, and here you have the name of the variable, which is name variable. In C++, we call this the identifier. Um, you're declaring the first line, the variable. Here you have cout, um, which is going to print this string right here, hello friend, and then you have endl, which is the end of the line. So then you have another cout, and it says enter a number. So and then you have another line of code, which is asking the user to input the value for this new variable. So yeah, and then you have another code which is going to print hello, and it's going to print the value of this variable. What's the difference between ENDL and just a semicolon? Is that if you have ENDL, you will have something like this in your output file. And if you don't use ENDL, then you could have like hello and hello like this. So yeah. So if your lines of code are fine, if there's no errors, mistakes, then the program is going to return value 0 to the computer system, and it's just going to let the computer system know that everything's okay, and then you can actually build a program. So you can build a program, and just to make sure that you check for errors. So you don't have errors here, so then you can actually run the program, and here yep, you're running the program. It says hello friend, enter a number. So let's enter a number, like say 45. So hello friend, and print number 45. It's a very cool program. It's a very simple program, but you can have a lot of things like you can have a double, data type. Let's say you can have let's declare another variable with type double. So double is for decimal numbers like 4.5, 6.2. So you can have decimals, right? And you declare this variable, and let's say we're doing decimal, and you're going to give value to this. You can actually give value to this variable right now. So let's give value to 23, whatever. And then you can have this like this. You can have enter value, and then you can have you can declare another. Let's declare another variable, result, and let's do double. Let's do this int integers and result. Okay, so we can actually now do this. We can actually do this result equal. Have the name of the variable, name. This is the value that you're getting. Like this. Okay, and you can then subtract that with the number you have here. So we're gonna add decimal, and then the semicolon, and then you can say cout. I'm gonna print this number, result, like this. Yeah. So now we can run the program. We're going to build the program first, build the program to make sure you don't have errors, mistakes, and then you can run the program, and then you have your hello friend and our number. Alright, so we're going to number like, let's say 41. So hello friend 41 18. Now look, what is the mistake? We have the mistake right here. Why we have this hello 41 18? That's really a mistake. You have to figure out as a programmer, going to have a lot of you're going to be as a programmer, you have to find a way to solve your problems. You can't give up on, you just have to find a way. You just have to find a way to solve the problem. One way we can do this is by just saying, you just do this. You can actually do ENDL, and when you can actually build the program first, and then run, and enter 41, and that's it. That's it. You fix the problem in programming. So now this is part 1. You can part 2. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, you just leave a comment, and I will be able to ask you that and help you out with your programming in C++. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and thanks.